G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. We're talking about opportunities everywhere. So I'm down in Cottesloe. I'm staying with a friend of mine down on the beach the last few days before I leave. I'm out of the house, and this is where I arrived 24 years ago. Hence why I came for 2 years and I'm still here. But we're talking about opportunity is everywhere. It's not only in the markets, but it's everywhere around you when you look hard enough. But in the markets, we have opportunities every single day that can help you build your kingdom. One of the traders, David Espinoza, I love it. One trade, one session, one trade, one setup, builds your kingdom. And it's so true because, you know, I title the videos 50 pips a day, and there's more than 50 pips a day if you want. But 25 pips a day is enough to build your kingdom when you understand the type of 25 pip setups there are and how you can scale them up in size. And when you understand that and you have a process and a routine and a business model around that, you can grow that day after day after day. So one of the questions is that what about losing trades and all that stuff? When you filter things out, you got to make it so hard that even if your trade is wrong, you still get out with either a small profit or break even. Those are the sort of quality setups you want to focus on. So again, when you filter this out, you no longer go to the screen or the session trying to be right and get pips. You understand what the setups are and why they're going to work, when they're going to work, when not to be trading because there's no setup, because it's the wrong type of market. Maybe it's heading into news. Maybe it's consolidated after a large move. Maybe there's a better instrument that you should be trading. This is all part of the process of identifying not only the best instruments, but the best setups. But you can grow your kingdom. You can grow your account. You can grow your trading business. You don't have to, it doesn't matter what anybody else thinks or what anybody else's opinions are or what anybody thinks how markets move or anything else or who's moving them. Who cares? I don't care who's moving them. All I want to know is the setup there, because when they're going to move it, I'm going to jump on their shoulders and ride the wave. I'm going to lock it in and get off the screen. Once you lock it in and it's in your account, there's nothing they can do. So important. Now, one of the questions I got was about news. And one of the things you need to understand about news is if you're trading around the news time and you put a stop in place, your stop will have slippage, and sometimes massive slippage, because they'll blow through it and they have the opportunity to fill you at any price they want, and there's nothing you can do about it. That's why I don't trade around the news, because the slippage, your stop is useless. The slippage is what's going to kill you, because they get to the opportunity to fill you anywhere they want and steal your money. When you get that, you won't trade the news. Now, sometimes you're going to get lucky, but they might spike something before they move it, and you get in too early, and they might put 50 pips into you and put some very serious heat into a trade that if you know, again, you can't put size on that, because that's gambling, that's not trading. So build your empire. Opportunity is everywhere. You know, it's tough. I'm looking forward to going back to North America, but I'll tell you what, this is winter. And I'm so grateful for the life that I've had here and the friendships that I have. And even now, you know, staying right on the beach in Cottesloe and my close friend's place, I'm just so grateful for everything that's happened here. I'm grateful, and I'm grateful for you guys out there. And I hope that everything is moving and clicking and going in the right direction. One little decision changes everything. You know, a decision to not take a piker trade. I love that, the reformed piker trader. But, you know, these are all the hard lessons that I've had to learn. And I was talking to this friend of mine, and I told him, I said, you get to a point where you don't even want to trade unless you have a setup, because you already know, I've already been through the pain. I've already done all the stupid things. So opportunities are everywhere. They happen every single day. And when you understand that and you get in that repeatable process and you start to get the snowball rolling, it gets easier and easier and easier to go up and pick the money. Like Jim Rogers said, he waits for the money to be laying over in the corner on the floor, and he just walks over and picks it up. And that's all you got to do, is let them set it up, let them trap the volume, let them give you the trade setup, and when they start to go, get on their shoulders and ride the wave. Opportunities are everywhere. Have a great day, traders. Appreciate everything, and may the markets go with you.